Oldsmobile Cutlass, America's quintessential muscle with a dash of every day. Right then, you automotive aficionados and lovers of all things muscle-bound and American, gather round as we dive into the world of the Oldsmobile Cutlass. If ever there was a car that epitomized the American dream, large, loud, and utterly unapologetic, it was the Cutlass. Born in the early 60s and maturing throughout the decades until its untimely end in 1999, the Cutlass was the muscle car for the somewhat discerning gentleman and gentlewoman. Let's start at the beginning, the 60s, a time when America decided that everything, including their cars, needed to mirror their exceptionalism. Enter the Oldsmobile Cutlass, a car that looked like it could win a bar fight and then take you home to meet its mother. The Cutlass debuted in 1961 as a compactor, upscale car, swiftly growing in size and ambition, much like an American waistline during the holiday season. The first-gen Cutlass was somewhat reserved, bearing a classic, almost European charm. But don't be fooled. Under that polite exterior lay a beast waiting to break out. By the time the 1964 models rolled in, the Cutlass had started embracing its muscle car destiny. It soon became clear that this was a car aiming at a perfect blend of performance and comfort, an unusual cocktail of brute force with a splash of sophistication. Move forward to 1968, and the Cutlass was flexing its muscles in a way that would make the Rock look puny. With options like the 442 package, which, no surprise, refers to 4-barrel carb, 4-speed manual, and dual exhausts, this car was not for the faint-hearted. Packing up to 350 horsepower from its V8 engine, it could cause small earthquakes in suburban neighborhoods. And if the rumble of the engine didn't turn heads, the aggressive and sleek lines definitely would. But let's not gloss over the interior. The cabin of a Cutlass was a haven of plush seats and faux wood accents, a sort of mobile Americana living room. You'd almost expect to find a TV guide stuck in the back pocket of those front seats. It was comfy enough for daily drives, but with an undercurrent of intimidation, like a well-dressed bouncer at a Las Vegas club. The 1970s saw the Cutlass emerge as one of America's best-selling cars. This was a period of excess, of gigantism, of bell-bottoms, and far too much polyester. And the Cutlass fit right in. It had become a symbol of success, of affluence, and you were nobody if you didn't have a Cutlass parked in your driveway. Sure, it guzzled gas like an Englishman guzzles lager, but during the pre-oil crisis opulence, who cared? Then the 80s hit. Uh-oh. The Cutlass, like many other American muscle cars, faced an identity crisis. Beset by fuel regulations and a desire for more economical vehicles, Oldsmobile tried to adapt, shrinking the Cutlass and robbing it of some of its haughty grandeur. Still, it puttered on, maintaining respectable sales and retaining its charm even in the face of adversity. By the 90s, the writing was on the wall. The Cutlass was no longer the brawler it once was. It had become somewhat of a middle manager, reliable, still stylish, but with less room for the rebellious spirit it once had. Production ended in 1999, marking the end of an era. Gone, but never forgotten by those who appreciated its unique blend of power and panache. So there you have it, the Oldsmobile Cutlass. A car that was as much about everyday driving as it was about high-speed thrills. It wasn't always perfect, but it had character in spades. In an age of blandness and uniformity, the Cutlass was the loud, brash uncle at the family picnic who everyone secretly loved. If tales of muscle cars and American legends get your engine revving, hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Icons. We've got more motoring marvels and classic chronicles coming your way. Don't miss out. Join our journey through the legends of the road.